Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your science lecture. I hope that you all are doing well at your homes, and I hope that you are revising lectures at home. And if you had watched my previous lecture, you must remember that we had discussed about health, about keeping healthy. How can we keep healthy? So we had discussed that there are three ways that we can keep healthy. First of all is by eating healthy food. Then second is exercising regularly, and third is taking care of our teeth. So we had already discussed in detail about um, about healthy food. We had discussed about drinking about different food groups, which were proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. And we had discussed that we should prepare meals that have a little bit of all of the four food groups in them so that we can keep healthy. So in order to keep healthy, the first thing is you should eat healthy. You should eat a lot of proteins, some good carbohydrates and good fat, and a mixture of fiber and vitamins. So all this will give you energy and make you healthy. So now today we are going to discuss that why is exercise important, or why is exercise cool, and why is exercise good for our body. Okay, in order to keep us healthy, or not only we should eat good food, but we should exercise regularly. So let's see why is exercise cool. Kids exercise all the time without even thinking of it. Just being active, like when you run around outside or play kickball at school, is kind of exercise. What else counts as exercise? Playing sports, dancing, doing push ups, and even reaching down to your toes. When you exercise, you are helping build a strong body that will be able to move around and do all the stuff you need it to do. They will be active every day, and your body will thank you later. So that exercise can be of different types. There are various types of exercises in this world. So sometimes you are even exercising without even knowing that you are exercising. Basically, exercise means that you have to make your body move, or you have to burn some calories. You have to make your body move and burn all the things, all the food that you have eaten. Okay, it's in order to digest food, in order to keep yourself healthy, you have to move around and you have to move your body. So you should not always be sitting in front of a television, or sitting in front of a mobile phone, and always sitting and lying on bed. These are not good for your health, because our body, it is made in such a way that we need to walk, we need to move our muscles, we need to move our legs, which is good for our body. It'll keep us healthy. So sometimes, without even knowing, you are active. For example, when you run around, or when you're playing something, it is also a sort of exercise. This is also exercise. So when you are playing some sort of sports, when you are playing with your um, friends, or when you are when you are reaching down your toes, and when you're doing push-ups, this is also very strenuous exercise. It is a very tough exercise. But so why is exercise important? Because when you exercise, you are helping build a strong body that will be able to move around and do all the stuff you needed to do. If you are going to sit at one place and you're going to sleep all day and you're not going to exercise, then your body will not build strong muscles, and you will not be able to move around. So you have to train your body to be active, and to move around and to do difficult tasks. And other thing is, exercise makes our heart happy. So the two important organs that are present inside human beings are heart and brain. So because the function of heart is to give blood to all parts of the body. So we have to make our heart happy and healthy. If our heart and mind are going to be healthy, then we are going to be a healthy person. So for us to be to make it's important for us to exercise, so that our heart rate, it is affected by exercise. So when we exercise, the heart rate increases. Okay, so which is good. It should not improve, increase to a lot, but it should increase, so which is good. And so you may know that your heart is a muscle. So heart is a muscle. Okay, it works hard, pumping blood every day of your life. You can help the important muscle get stronger by doing aerobic exercise. So aerobic, what is aerobic exercise? Aerobics mean with air. So aerobic exercise is a kind of activity that requires oxygen. When you breathe, you take in oxygen, and if you are doing aerobic exercise, you may notice you are breathing faster than normal. So aerobic activity can get your heart pumping, make you sweaty, and quicken your breathing. So when you aerobic exercise, any exercise um, that it requires oxygen, means that if you're running a lot, or if you're doing all these different exercises which increases your heart rate, and your breathing, it becomes faster, then that's aerobic exercise, and it is good for your body, because then the heart will pump more blood to different organs. When you give your heart this kind of workout on a regular basis, your heart will even get better at its main job, which is delivering oxygen to all parts of body. So we need oxygen. Oxygen is important for us. So when we are getting a good amount of oxygen, we need oxygen to survive. So when we do aerobics exercise, basically our heart rate increases, and our heart, it will do its job in a good way. It will pump more blood to the body, which is very good. So, how can you get aerobic exercise? You can get aerobic exercise by swimming, basketball, roller hockey, jogging or walking quickly, inline skating, soccer, biking, or rowing a boat. And don't forget the skipping, jumping rope, and playing hopscotch are aerobic activities too. So all these exercises, all these activities, they are called aerobic exercises, like swimming or basketball or roller hockey or jogging, or slowly walking or skating or soccer or biking. So, and these are all aerobic exercises. So exercise, why is exercise important? Exercise keeps the balance. Food gives your body fuel in the form of calories, which are a kind of energy. So food, it provides you energy. In order to survive, we need energy to do something, to do any kind of work, to move from one place to another, to go to school. We need energy. So that energy is given to us by food, good foods. Okay, and your body needs a certain amount of calories to do every function. For example, breathe, walk around, and do all the basic stuff. So everything that we need, we do. Everything that our body does, it requires a certain amount of calories. It requires fuel, and that fuel, for example, to be breathe, to walk, to do all stuff, we need food. But if you're active, your body needs an extra measure of calories or energy. Okay. When you are active, then when you're running around, then you'll get hungry, and then you will eat more food, and then your body will require more energy. If you are not active, your body won't need as many as calories. So it's good for you to do exercise, and you know so that you can eat good. Whatever your calorie need is, if you eat enough to meet that need, your body weight will stay about the same. If you eat more calories than your body, it will be stored at excess fat. So you have to keep the balance. You don't have to eat a lot of food, a lot of it. So just eat the adequate amount, the amount that is needed by the body. So don't overeat, don't undereat. Eat the right amount of food. Okay, and also exercise. Exercise, it makes you feel good. It feels good to have strong, flexible body that can do all the activities you enjoy, like running, jumping, playing with your friends. It is also fun to be good at something like scoring a basket. hitting a home run or perfecting a dive, but you may not know that exercising can actually put you in a better mood. So sometimes you don't even feel when you're running around, when you're playing with your friends, when you come back home, you're actually in a happy mood because you've done something. You are your body, it is enjoying that. So exercise, it makes you feel good about yourself. It makes you happy. So it can make a smile on your face because you are then energetic. You will do a lot of more work. But if you are sitting in one place getting lazy and not doing exercise and only eating, then you won't be able to move around. You won't be able to play with your friends. So you won't feel good and you won't smile. When you exercise, your brain releases a chemical. Just leave this, okay, which makes you feel happier. So there is this chemical called endorphins, okay. Endorphins, don't remember the name of it, just remember that there is a chemical which is released by which make you smile. So another reason why exercise is cool. So why is exercise cool? Because it makes you happy, it makes you feel good about yourself, it makes you feel happier. So everybody wants to be happy in life, okay. So it's good for you to exercise and be happy and feel good about yourself. So today we have learned that in order to keep healthy we must exercise also. Exercise is important. The heart rate is affected by exercise. When we exercise, our heart rate increases, okay. So in order to be healthy we have to eat good amount of food, eat healthy food and exercise daily, because exercise makes us healthy and happy, and we should do it. We should, and it also makes us active. It's also good. So this is why exercise is important. I hope that you have understood, students, and I hope that you're going to keep healthy, and I hope that you're going to know you're not going to be lazy and sitting at one place, but you're going to move around and exercise a lot. Whatever exercise that you feel like doing. Okay? So take care and Allah Hafiz.